A very good morning to dear students. Welcome to the next lecture of IP and Computer Science. In this lecture we will discuss the new chapter, and the chapter name is Python Fundamentals. For CS students it is chapter 6, and for IP student it is chapter 4. In this chapter we will discuss number of topics. The first topic of this chapter is Python character set. So let's discuss about Python character sets. So what is Python character set? Character set is the smallest possible component of a text, that is capital A, capital B, or small b, etc. are all different characters. Python uses the traditional ASCII character set. ASCII defines 128 characters which map to the numbers 0 to 127. The ASCII character set is a subset of the universal code, that is Unicode character set. As you know, ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So some examples are here, some examples of Python character sets: letters either in uppercase or lowercase, digits 0 to 9, symbols, these symbols are here like angular bracket, big bracket, parenthesis, white spaces is the example of space bar. You can use space tab, /t, /n, like you are changing the line, so it is also an example of white spaces. So these are the examples of Python character set. Now the next topic is token. Token is very important because if you are writing any program in Python, so without tokens we cannot write the program. So the example, so I'm giving a definition of token. Tokens are the smallest individual unit of a program. You can say tokens are the lexical units of a program. There are following tokens in Python. The first one is keywords, second one is identifier or variables, next one is operator, the next one is delimiters, or you can say punctuators, and the last one is literals. So we will discuss about keywords first. So what is keywords? A keyword is a word having special meaning reserved by the programming language. So keywords are fixed meaning reserved by reserved words. You can say fixed meaning. All keywords have a fixed meaning. So you can say keywords are fixed meaning reserved words. Cannot be used as identifier or variables. Means we cannot use any keyword as a variable. Simple keywords. Some examples of keywords are which is provided by the language. The first one is from, none, with, while, true, return, is, in, import, if, etc. These are the predefined keywords of Python. What is variables or identifier? You can say identifiers are the name given to different parts of the program, like variables, object, classes, functions, lists, dictionaries, etc. Identifier is the name used to find variable, functions, class, or other objects. Some rules are here. See how to create object. So the first rule is character consists of letters, underscore, digits. Can be any length. Start with letters, can start with underscore, cannot start with a digit. Means you cannot create variable. Means if you are creating a variable and you are using first character of a variable as a digit, so you cannot create, means it is invalid variable. So cannot start with a digit, cannot be a keyword. You cannot use keyword as a variable. So here some examples, like the first example, first space name. So it is invalid because there is a space. You cannot use space in a variable name. The next example is the next example, it is start with a digit. It is also invalid because we know the rule, we cannot use the first character of a variable as a digit, so it is also invalid. For is a keyword, so you cannot use any keyword for variable name, so it is also invalid. Here is also an example of variable. Valid hyphen name, so you cannot use any symbol except underscore, so it is also invalid. So underscore address, it is valid variable. Roll number underscore number, it is also a valid variable name. The next topic is operator. All of you know operators are used to perform some operations, and Python supports following type of operator. Actually there are three types of operators in any language. The first is unary operator, the second is binary operator, and third is ternary operator. So unary operator is only used single operands, binary operator use two operands, ternary operator use three operands. So here is the examples of operator which is supported by Python. Python contains various operator. The first one is arithmetic operator. It is an example of binary operator because you are using plus is the operator and it is used between two operands. So these are the binary operators example. Next one is relational operator. The example of relational operators are equal to sign, not equal to, it is also not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Logical and not or. So logical operators are there, that is and operator, not operator, and or operator. Some more operators, bitwise operator. So bitwise is new for you all, so we will discuss in the next chapter. So it is address operator, that is and operator, and bitwise not, bitwise or. These are the right shift operator and left shift operator. These are the operators which is supported by the Python. Delimiters or punctuators. Delimiters are punctuators. So it is a symbol that performs special role in Python like grouping, punctuations, and assignment. These are the examples of punctuators or delimiters. Parenthesis symbol, open and closing parenthesis, big bracket, curly brackets, comma, colon, dot, equal to, semicolon. These are the actually delimiters, or you can say punctuators. These are the examples of punctuators. If there is a code written in curly braces, big bracket, and parenthesis, so you know, so these delimiters are used for grouping. The next topic is literals. What is literals? Literals are the data item that have a fixed value. Python allows several kinds of literal which are being given below. So literals are numbers or string or characters appears in the program. There are following types of literals. String literals. A string literal is a sequence of characters surrounded by quotes, single or double or triple quotes. Type of string literals: single line string literals, multi-line string literals. Numeric literals. Numeric literals are numeric values, and these can be one of the following types: integer type, integer literals, you can say floating point literals. So here are some examples of literals. The first one is integer literal, that is 78. It's an integer literal. 21.32, it's a floating point literal because there is a fractional part here. The next one is character literal. Only one character is here, it is in single quotes, it is character literal. And the next one is string literal because number of characters in a string in a word, so it is string literal. So there are four types of literals are here. First one is integer literal, that is there is no fractional part, means you can integer value is called integer literal. Floating point value which holds fractional parts, it is floating point literal. A single character is a character literal which is in single quote. And then last one is a string literal which is in double quote. The next topic is value and type. If you are using a value for a variable, means you are assigning a value for a variable, so how you know a variable holding which type of value? For that we need to use a type method. Type method and pass the variable. Through that we can know a variable holding a which type of value. To know type of value, to know type of any value in Python, use inbuilt method called type value. The syntax example: type hello, type 1 2 3. So the first statement will display a string, the second statement will display a string, and the third and last statement display integer. So here through type function we know the type of value. We have our this lecture here only. We will discuss the next topic in the next lecture. So please take care of your study. Don't go anywhere. Stay at your home. Thank you.